The rules for grouping rests in compound time are very similar to those for grouping rests in simple time. Rule number 1, complete partial beats. As in simple time, each incomplete beat must be completed before the next beat, and each part of the beat must be finished before the next part. Rule number 2, do not join pulses 2 and 3. When adding pulses to complete a compound beat, the first 2 pulses may be combined into one rest, but 2 separate rests must be used for the second and third pulses. Rule number 3, always use a dotted rest for one or more complete compound beats. Remember, the complete compound beat is the dotted note value beat, which equals the group of 3 pulses. And it's important to remember that this is the only time that we use dotted rests. Rule number 4, do not join beats 2 and 3. As in simple time, the first and second beats may be combined into one rest, and the third and fourth beats may be combined into one rest. But the second and third beats require 2 separate rests. Rule number 5, always use a whole rest for a full bar of silence, and this goes for all time signatures. When completing measures with rests in compound time, follow these steps. 1. Write the beats above as groups of 3 pulses. 2. Complete partial pulses with rests. 3. Add rest pulses to complete the beats. And 4. Add full beat rests to complete the bars. Let's do an example. Start by writing the groups of 3 pulses above. For this example, we will write groups of 3/8 notes. Just a caution here not to skip this step, since you are much less likely to make errors when you have this visual. Next, complete the partial pulses with rests. Looks like there's only one, and so we'll need to add a 16th rest to finish it. Thirdly, we need to complete the beats with rest pulses. Remember that we must use 2 separate rests for the second and third pulses. And lastly, we add the full beat rests, remembering that in compound time, we use dotted rests for these beats. And again, we'll need 2 separate rests since we can't join the second and third beats.